The mortal remains of Angel Chakma, a MBA student studying in Dehradun from Tripura, who tragically passed away after being stabbed by some miscreants, arrived at the Maharaja Bir Bikram airport in Agartala this Saturday. Representatives and members from the TSF and YTF were present at the airport to receive the body and pay the last respect. According to the incident report, Angel Chakma and his friend Michael Chakma, both studying MBA in Dehradun, was returning to their rental house after returning from market on December 9. Meanwhile, they faced racism by a group of miscreants, calling them Chinky and Momos, people coming from northeast. When they tried to talk to them, they were beaten by the miscreants and Angel was reportedly stabbed by a knife. Following the brutal attack, he was rushed to the local hospital where he underwent intensive treatment. Despite the best efforts of the medical team, he succumbed to his injuries on Friday. Arrival in Tripura on Saturday, a somber atmosphere prevailed at the MBP airport as the body arrived. Representatives and the members from the TSF and YTF were present at the airport to receive the body and pay their last respects.
Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram ni air cargo kanalo phajak tam ningkai norok saimang khana je khanai 9 December chini Michael Chakma te Angel Chakma borok je Dehradun ni bundarok bai degar sujakmani 9 tariko degar sujakmani 9 tarik pore bo ICU tongai mia 26 of December mia bini lama chokha tini bin dead body phai tongo bin dead body no nasimui tongo flamen bagai nadi je gotona mani abo belai ke hamriya borok gotona ni mo hainka borok bini Michael by Angel dugano mani payan thangmani hordigi bo gai mani paya gai borok no kifil tongo mane borok tongman jaga kifil tongman jaga bo je Dehradun ya jani gundarok bongno chini mane notice ni borok no nugoi borok Chinese hingka mumu hingka Chinky hingka gai buma bu photi amo hairok buma comments khaika me borok bike ni onkhoroi saka amo hairok ta hindi ne onkhor samalo logino tula sangai Angel khai bike salok nai gai Michael khu blog asukja gai Michael bike ni onkhoroi borok tam gai amo hai hindi tam abo te ta hindi Sungbo as Indian no ble sungbo northeast ni phano sungbo Indian no hine bosaka samalo logino a jaga je bunai rok borok o je tam hena abo mathi hai o je kupur koto krida me kora da hintam bai abai mang mane bokro ni plogo bukha e bono buman mungan logino Angel onkhoroi hai mana khan thang tani hinkai Angel no ke borok bukha haisi emon ke bukha non stop boi erbore kai bono uplobdi degar wai ni suka amhoi obostha gai amo khamen ya gulo gai a jaga public rok saimana koi hospital tingo khaja admin khamen ya gulo treatment cholite ko 9 tarik ko je gotona mani mia 26 tarik ko bini langma choka gai belake chaya nadi sini northeast ni borok bo sungbo Indian no hasi sungbo sini nationality sung Indian no gai sung northeast ni borok le sung te bo jaga sini lekha pora khaisinai kun jaga phansi Delhi bo sini save kuri tak Dehradun no save kuri Mumbai save kuri me kun jaga phane se sini northeast ni bagai save kuri kama hoy obostha toka so abo belake chaya mone bagai sung joto no khorang tisana dorkar sudo Tripura ya northeast ni joto bor khorang tisana dorkar tambai henge borok particularly sini northeast no target khaino amo hage northeast ni bor bukung bara Chinese no solo abo he comments khai tongo jegmani belake chaya sung mo bokhana ka Dehradun ni police rok boni FIR no accept khanen na ya bobagara samani bisingti bobagara pressurize khamani bisingti aja ni police rok erpore FIR accept khai amo hairo bonukha gai sung sini Tripura no hoite bo sung pressurize khanai sung tini moni pore sung sini SP ro mala yoi sin Tripura no hoite bhaike Dehradun no pressurize khaiman jeto jesin thine je Angel Debroma bosin Tripura ni Angel Chakma Angel Chakma sung abu try khanai kinu jeng mani belai hamlia bini bagai sung balai ke khasango sung bin family longi tongai bin dead body tlangoi ta sung bin nogo thangnai sung nasing tongo flight dileng man bagai sokaya ko sokoi yang lo sung thangoi langoi thangnai
Bagi aro babai samuro khai tongman
bo ajaga wo Dehradun ni MBA bini last semester ni je final exam tongmani abo tongmani next month da bubro abo tongmani apakena bini MBA complete khai tongmani ido alfunchire tamna ba batabuk to mosum saros ya khai thanga belagi salia amma hero gumani belagi saya abo khaita.
The student organization have expressed deep grief over the incident and are expected to demand a high-level inquiry to ensure that the perpetrators of this heinous crime are brought to justice.
Now, Zotona Shivu, Sini Khorang Takuk, Angel Chakma, Dehradun finally a semester Pori Tongmani. He's a very good and intelligent students from Northeast and been hometown ka Tripura, been asol paranga mas marabo. See, it doesn't bring for one community. It brings to entire Northeast. Northeast ni borok whenever you go to Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata for further studies. Kaisano Sinemuruzago. A Chinese, Chinky, Momos. You are from Northeast. Did you dogs? You are from Northeast. You are from Northeast. Did you snake? I want to born a Kaisa question. And this is not the first time. Kabama Bukukzab. Recently, one of the lady from Arunachal Pradesh. Both hangi tongka United Kingdom, London, thangpur bahino. Bona Chinese nei airport naruk jagai tongka. Why this racism? We are also Indians. I would like to request ang government sekang monos request khain nimcho sengki Indian ni bagai. Do we need another extra certificate for proving ourselves that we are a true Indians? Tini tam ni boy botini further studies Tripura hai jaga wo tini kaham shikha maya kaham ke education mai no boy bini further studies khain boy MBA pone thaman tini bin mangkati sokoyoro. Who knows, in bright future, he might be a good businessman, he might be a good lecturer. So we lost such scholar. My scholar kaham tini Tripura ni kaisa kamai tangka sini takuk Angel Chakma no. Abun bagai ang government of Tripura as well as government of India. Je borok sau, je surakshit bikshit Bharat je borok samani. Abu borok burtai supung nai. Sini mai tini injustice feeling itango. Burtai eng nai. Amun bagai government of Tripura bo or Tripura tongdati Uttarakhand ni je hai incident manati bor sajak karak sajak bor mar nahi hai. We on behalf of not YTF on behalf of Tripura sangai so FIR lodge khainai additional SPA kok saka bor bomono kaham ke nanai namani pore bor obno bor khai aro bor report khainai ni bor sau.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.